Hey guys, and welcome back to Drunk Happy Gamers. Today we're playing part of the Sega Vintage Collection. This is a game that was on the Mega Drive. That's back in like 1990 or something like that. It came out, and yeah, this game came out later than that, obviously. But this is Streets of Rage 2. Sorry about the croaky voice. I've just come back from a night out, and I've been feeling, well, quite drunk. So I don't know how my commentary is going to be, but hopefully it'll be enough to entertain you guys. Right, let's go straight into the single player. We'll just be playing probably about 15 minutes of this game because it is a classic, and yeah. Difficulty normal, what's the game setting? Hardcore, normal. Hardcore, normal. Yeah, that'll do. 6 lives. Because I can't remember how to play this game. Who am I gonna be? I'm gonna be Max. I'll be Axel, the token feminine character, or the token black guy. I think it's Axel because he kind of looks like Cody from Final Fight. I think that's probably what they ripped this off from, the Neo Geo and SNK. Okay, let's start this off. Hi. Hey, how you doing? You got your standard combo. I think if we get up close, we get to grab him. I can't remember what the exact button press for the grab is, but we're going to do our best. German suplex! Yeah, oh no, these guys. These sometimes throw knives at you. Are these? Yes. I think you just have to be really up close to him, and then you get to grab him. You dead? Yeah, you're dead. Aha! I think I've got a power move as well. Kukapa! Is that Spanish upper? Spanish upper. Let's go with that. I do remember the technique to actually stun lock them. It's just the single punch over and over again. Hold on. I'll do it for like a really powerful enemy if I can. Here's a guy with a bit of health, isn't he? I think you got a bit of health, haven't you? You got a bit of health? Come here. There we go. Which makes this game pretty much a breeze. Well, not exactly. The later levels do get harder because they just throw all kinds of enemies at you. Well, yeah, that kind of works. It kind of works pretty well. Give me a weapon. A weapon. I have a weapon. I have my knife. Oh, that's a special move as well. It takes a bit of my health. Ha, ha. I must poke you. I poke you with the knife. Ha, hey, ha, ha, ha. 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 Yeah. Ha. Ha. Oh, wow. Didn't mean to do that, but still. Knife. Ha. Ha. Ah. Oh, wow. That was pretty sick. Oh, that was a special move. Knife. Ha. Ha. Okay. Yeah. Suplex. I'm gonna grab this pipe. Yeah, I got a pipe. Fuck you! Fuck you! Destroy those. Ooh, monies, and apfel. I hope I can still get that. Ah, fuck you! No, I can't get that anymore, can I? No. Get away. Nope. 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 Come here. Okay. Oh, fuck. Ah. Oh. Now he's dodging his movement. Fuck. Come here. Come here. Take that. Fuck you, Galcia. Galcia. Can I throw this? No. Ha. Y signal. Is that like the Y wing in in Star Wars. Like, it's barely used and nobody talks about it. Hey, I want to throw you. Aha. Ooh, pipe. Yes, that works. I'm gonna stick with the pipe. Aha. Yes. Come here. Take this. And a pipe. My pipe gives me super strength. Come here. Yes. Headbutt. And tap, 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 tap. Yes. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. Accept my taps. You like my taps, don't you? Okay. I think we're fighting the boss now. Are we fighting the boss? This guy looks... Oh, that guy looks boss-like. And yep, as you can imagine, we're just going to keep doing this until he falls over. Which may get a bit boring and repetitive, but we don't lose any health or lives, so that's useful. Hey dude. Get him slowly creeping up behind me. Fuck you. Donovan! You just got owned! So did that guy. Fucking headbutt. I pick up the knife. Put down the knife! Aha. Apfel. Yes, Apfel. I don't know why I've become German. Maybe because I've drank some German beer tonight. Oh no, I want the... Okay, fine. Tap, 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 tap. Do you like my little love taps? It's a present from me to you. And death. Ah, yes. Don't you dare attack me. Fuck you. Come here. Ah, you cunts. Take. Oh, fuck. That was my power move. There we go. Come here. Yes. Take my taps. Do you like my little jabs? Ah, my nose! Ah, my nose! Right. Okay. Oh, hi, dude. Where'd you jump from? Yeah, just leave him alone. Oh, wow. We got him unlocked now as well. That was foolish. Foolish on your behalf. Haha. That was quite fun. Enjoyed that. Yes, join my chain of just punching. Fuck off. Oi. Oi. Fuck. Yes. They just line up. It's perfect. Hey, dude. To the face. Taste my face in your face. Okay, right. Next up, we are going to punch these tables because they anger me. And they give me money for no reason. And apples too. Oh, we're fighting a woman. You have a woman's hand. You have a woman's whip too. Don't whip me. I don't want it. No. Naughty. I must bitch slap you. Until you are dead. You cannot withstand my constant stream of punches. To your breasts. Do you like getting punched in the breasts? Appears you do because you're shivering with anticipation. Wow, look at that. See you later, buddy. Ah, I think we're going to stop it there, guys. Actually, no, we're going to do this bit. Because why not? And I think it's like the big boss man. Oh yeah, he's the guy who fires shit at us. Yeah. Just aggro this guy. You can come over here. I'll punch him to death. Yes. And I'll aggro this guy. Just slowly. Oh, hey dude. Okay. Yes, join the fun. Don't you want to be part? Oh, I aggroed him. Oh shit. Get lost. Damn it. Okay. Oh no, I angered him too. I angered him. Appease the gods with your sacrifice. Ha! I think I've fucked it up now. I can't do the same. No! There was a chicken right there. Fuck. Come here. I think I needed to... Got him. He's done now. Ah, shit. Give me chicken. And one more punch should do it. Damn it, he grabbed me. Fuck you. Boot to the face, motherfucker. Okay, that's where I'll leave it for now. I'll probably come back to this game, actually. It's quite enjoyable. Especially punching them in the face a lot of times. Okay, guys. Take care, and I will see you on the next episode. And maybe I'll be slightly less drunk, but... I mean, as this is a fairly easy game, I might just have a drink anyway. Take care then. Bye-bye.